Hello, everybody, and welcome to this talk from Ben Park, who is founder and CTO of Enevate. Ben's going to give us a talk on commercial-ready, high-energy density, ultra-fast charge cells. As always, please do leave your questions for Ben in the sidebar, and we will take them at the end of the talk. Over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank the organizers for inviting me. It's a great pleasure to be here. And thank you all who've joined to listen to my talk. So I'll get right into it. First of all, I wanted to start with a little bit about Enevate itself. So I founded the company in 2005. Actually, the timing of this conference is very timely because it was almost exactly 17 years since I founded it. We pioneered a lot of the next-gen silicon, lithium-ion technologies, and we're going to production this year. So it's a very exciting time. It's a very good time to be in the battery industry, as people who've been in this industry will tell you. There have been ups and downs. The vision of our company is for a cleaner and more sustainable environment, and to enable better batteries for this vision. Our business model is battery technology licensing and transfer. So we are not a battery manufacturer. We're not a material supplier. We work on the entire cell. So we have technologies around anodes, electrolytes, cell designs, cathodes, and other components of the cell. And we license them to large partners. So we're not going to be competing against our partners in the space. It's not a capital intensive model, so we're able to leverage experienced partners. So we're able to leverage those who can manufacture very well, and we don't have to necessarily build our own factory or facility to do that. We have a long history of technology development. We have around 500 patents issued and in process right now. It's been tested by more than 20 battery and automotive manufacturers, including probably many of you in the audience right now. So thank you all for your great partnerships, your great feedback, and so on and so forth. Right now, we are licensing a fourth generation of our technology, and we have had a lot of good support from the industry, including the Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi Alliance, LG Chem, Samsung, Enertech, and also large financial investors such as Fidelity. What we do is we try to address the customer pain points, and we try to turn that around, and in many cases, deliver technology that turns that into an advantage. So for example, one of the biggest drivers of the market today is carbon footprint. And a lot of the companies out there just haven't gotten to the point where they can make claims about carbon footprint. Because of our history and our involvement with the large EV manufacturers, we have had to work with third parties to verify our carbon footprint claims. So we have done those studies. It's called an LCA analysis. And we've been able to verify that we can have up to a 26% smaller carbon footprint. And that's very important for this industry. We're able to enable a 5-minute extreme fast charge. We're able to have a lower cost from the anode point of view, we're 20% lower cost, while still having this higher range, about 30% more EV range, and better low temperature performance, better safety, and higher efficiencies in regenerative braking and charger utilization. So that helps people reduce the need for a larger charging network, as well as making the vehicle perform better, even with the same capacity or same energy in the cell. Just one thing tied to the safer batteries, I think I'm going to talk about that later. We prevent lithium plating in the cells, which is part of the reason why we can charge faster, but we have other benefits in terms of preventing propagation. So I think those are very interesting things that our various customers have told us is very valuable for them. Our current fourth generation of the technology mainly was